So in today's video, we are going to talk about heating in mobile repair. If you are a GSM repairer, you must have been conversant with what we call heating. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what is heating in mobile phone. We are going to talk about why do we heat a mobile phone. Then lastly, we are going to talk about the equipment used in heating of a mobile phone. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, try and do that. Heating a mobile phone is a process of applying hot air or heat to the mobile component of a mobile phone. If your phone fell into the water, for that phone to work properly, you need to heat that phone, service the phone well, and heat it to dry out the water from that phone. When you want to remove screen and touch, you got heat that phone. So heating is very important in mobile repair. Again, heating is a process of applying hot air or heat to the mobile component of a mobile phone. Now, why do we heat our phone? Well, we have many reasons why we heat a mobile phone. If your phone got spoiled, you want to work on the phone or you want to service the phone, after applying spirit or fuel to the mobile phone, you need to heat the phone. And again, when your phone fell into the water, you need to heat the phone to dry up the water. And again, when you want to separate screen and touch, you got heat that phone to make it easier for you to remove that screen and touchpad. So heating a mobile phone is very important. Now, let's talk about the equipment needed in heating a mobile phone. We have many equipment. One, we have the soldering iron. Secondly, we have candle. Thirdly, we have rework station. Fourthly, we have separating machine. The number 5, we have the hot air blower. Those are the equipment you can use in heating a mobile phone. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the video. See you in my next video. Bye.